How to fix abnormal execution detected in the first Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the abnormal execution detected error. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can simply update your game. So make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to address such issues. In the second method, you need to ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. If your hardware is below the required specs, it might cause error. Then you can update your graphic card driver and other system drivers because outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with the game. If you are playing on the platform like Steam, then you can use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix the corrupted and missing files. For Steam, you need to just right click in the game in your library, then go to properties, then go to select files and then select the option of verify integrity of game files. You need to close any unnecessary background applications that might be conflicting with the game. You can even try running the game as an administrator. Overheating can also cause various errors, so you need to ensure your PC is well ventilated and clean. If all else fails, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the game as well. You can even visit the game's official forums or support pages. Other players might have encountered the same problem and you can also resolve the issue with them. So with the help of these instructions, you can definitely going to fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.